What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a quick review of Logitech MX Keys keyboard where we will talk about all of its features, design, pros and cons, and we will have a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of MX Keys, you will find the keyboard, the unifying receiver, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and some quick start guide and user manuals. So first of all, let me tell you that MX Keys comes in two variants, the MX Keys and MX Keys for Mac. The one we got here is the Mac one, and even though both of them are compatible with Mac, iOS, Android and Windows, the MX Keys for Mac comes with slight changes for Mac. So talking about the design, the very first thing you will notice that the keyboard layout is very much similar to Mac. Even the space gray color scheme is exactly same like the Mac products Apple is launching recently. This is a full-size keyboard that is made of a single plate of metal. So the build quality is great, it looks beautiful, it weighs 810 grams, so it's a bit heavy and that's why quite stable once you put it on your desk and start typing on it. The top of the back is slightly elevated, that provides a nice typing position while using the Logitech MX Keys. Talking about the keys, we got the Mac layout and some additional keys like easy switch and dedicated keys for smartphones and tablets. The keys are a bit concave and there is indentation on each key that provides a very nice and accurate typing experience. The travel is good and very satisfying considering we are working on a non-mechanical keyboard. Now one of my favorite features of Logitech MX Keys is the backlighting. It comes with ambient sensor and proximity sensors that detects when your hand moves towards the keyboard, and then the backlight of keyboard turns on by itself, and once you stop typing it goes off by itself as well. Based on the ambient light, Logitech MX Keys automatically adjusts the intensity of the keyboard light and you can even adjust it manually as well. Talking about the connectivity, you can connect 3 different devices at the very same time with Logitech MX Keys, and you can switch between them using the dedicated easy switch buttons. You can use the Bluetooth to connect your MX Keys with your devices, or you can use the unifying receiver as well. The unifying receiver supports up to 6 devices, so you can easily switch from one device to another. And if you got the MX Master 3 mouse, then you can even use the Logitech Flow feature to automatically switch from one device to another following the cursor of the MX Master 3 mouse. But I will show this feature and functionality in the detailed review of MX Master 3, so do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live on this channel. The battery life of MX Keys is just impressive. With one single charge and the keyboard backlight on, it survives for 10 days, and if the backlighting is turned off, then it can go as long as 5 months. And then we got the Logitech Option software that you can use to customize the functionality on the keyboard and improve your typing experience. Overall, Logitech MX Keys for Mac is the best keyboard that you can buy for your Mac for sure, and even for the Windows PC. The build quality is nice, it looks very beautiful, it is solid and sturdy. The keyboard layout is especially designed for Mac devices, and the typing experience is amazing because of the nice travel and the indentions on the top of the keys. And then we got the advanced features like turning on or off by itself and the auto adjustment of the keyboard backlighting intensity. You can use the MX Keys with 3 devices at the very same time, and if you got the MX Master 3 for Mac, then you can even use it for Logitech Flow. The battery life is super impressive, and so is the overall performance of Logitech MX Keys. So if you are looking for a nice keyboard for your Mac or Windows PC, then Logitech MX Keys is the best option for you for sure. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.